Get, honey.
Huh?
Call Hattie for me.
Hold on.
Hurry up now.
Hi, Miss Hattie. Now this is Will. Miss Biddie wants to know if you're coming over for Thanksgiving. She said no.
No? What you mean no?
I said, what you mean no? She said she's not coming.
Look. Hold me. Honey, I done cooked all this food. Collard greens, candy yams, macaroni and cheese. Yeah, everything. I put my foot in it, girl. You better get over here. Yeah, I'm waiting for the Reverend. You know old Minister Nussmouth. You know who I'm talking about. Yeah, I told Kizzy to get in here. I don't know where she at. I hope she ain't playing with that little nappy head boy across the street. The one with the yellow teeth. He do. He got yellow teeth. His teeth are so yellow every time he crossed the street, the traffic stops.
Miss Biddie. Yes, Miss Hattie.
Don't take the phone from me.
Miss Hattie? Yeah. Okay. All right.
Who is this? Is this yours?
I don't know her.
Who are you? Who are you?
I'm Shaquanda. Your door was open.
My door? My door's never open. You look, the door was not open. How did you get in here?
Like I said, the door was open.
That door was not open. I'll never leave that door open. You look like you could know how to pick a lock though, I'll tell you that much. Listen, what are you doing in the house?
I'm Shaquanda.
Yeah, we know that. But what are you doing here?
I'm George's date. He said he was invited for Thanksgiving over here.
Who the hell is George? I don't got no George to no Thanksgiving.
Well, I don't know his last name, you know. I just met him last month. But we get married next week, though. Look at my ring.
I don't care about your ring. What are you doing in my house?
I came for Thanksgiving dinner.
I'm not for no Thanksgiving in here. I'm going to tell you right now. Get out. I don't know no George. I don't know you. You got to go.
George is my fiance.
George is your problem. Now you got to go.
Anyways.
I don't know who this George is. Where is he anyway?
He's outside parking the car.
Parking the car? Parking the car. I think he's here. Georgie. I don't know no Georgie.